Hi, in today's video, I'm going to tell you the 10 reasons why you should consider buying the Triumph Scalper. And the first reason is that it works on 1 minute, 5 minutes and 15 minutes time frames. But in my testing, I myself used 15 minutes time frame and the results were very good. Try out all the time frames and see which one works for you best. And the second reason why you should consider buying this indicator is that it was developed by Karl Dittmann, who has been trading for more than 20 years and spent months coming up with this indicator. Yeah, so Karl actually has got a lot of indicators which are awesome. Okay, you can check them out, but I myself, I only tried the Triumph and it's the one I'm recommending all of you to get. Okay, so and the third reason why you should consider buying this Triumph Scalper by Karl is that it also comes with an optional Triumph Scalper assistant, of which you can also buy. So what does this assistant do? So this assistant can really help you increase your profit and save yourself time. So what does it do? So the Triumph Scalper operates excellent on its own, but the Triumph Scalper assistant is created exclusively to reduce the amount of time you spend and increase your benefit. Triumph Scalper assistant captures the best moments to enter, buy or sell trades that are generated by the Triumph Scalper and allows you to open an order with a few tricks. Yeah, I mean a few clicks, not tricks. So as you can see over here, you can click some buttons where to exit the take profit level or to exit when an opposite signal comes in. You can as well choose anything you would like. You can also enter your stop loss and take profit on. So that's what I like about this assistant, but I do not buy this one. Yeah, but if you really want to save yourself time, yeah, you should consider also getting this assistant as well. So one thing I like about the Triumph Scalper is that it's got 3 trading modes which can suit everyone, and the first trading mode is the conservative mode. So what is the conservative mode? So with this conservative mode, the signals, they're going to be few, but the safety is going to be maximum. So when you choose this mode, okay, you're not going to be receiving a lot of signals, only like 2 or 1 or 3 per day, but it will be safe because it will have a low risk and you won't be like making losses as compared to other modes. And the other mode is the medium. So as for me, I tried the medium mode alone. It was pretty good. Yeah, it was very good. So the signals are a bit frequent, safety is optimal, not that bad, not that good, but it's just okay. And trend detection is a bit sensitive and the risk is moderate. And the last or second last mode is the aggressive mode. Okay, if you'd really like to make money fast and lose money fast, this is the better one. So with this aggressive mode, signals are going to be a lot, but the safety is going to be low and it carries a high risk. So depending on how you trade, you are free to choose any mode and experience how it is and go with one which will work out for you. And the last mode is the custom one. So if you know what you are doing, if you really know these things, you can customize it according to what you'd like it to be. But if you're a beginner, I encourage you to go on with the medium one or the conservative mode. Okay, and the other thing I like about this Triumph Scalper is the pop-up alerts with sound. If you are like me who is always busy with other stuff, pop-up alerts can help you know when to place a trade because they will notify you so that you can spend some other time doing other stuff. When you hear the sound, you can come back and place a trade. But with the pop-up alerts, you'll be given the entry point, the stop loss and the take profit. So this is good because you know what to do. The other thing I like about it, or the seventh reason why you should buy it, is because it can also email you. So with this indicator, it can actually email you that the entry, the signal, the take profit and the stop loss. This is also good, but I don't really like it. But the one I like most is this one. The eighth reason why you should buy it is push notifications. So this indicator can as well like alert you on your phone. It can send a notification to your MT4 on your Android or iPhone, and it will tell you what to do, like the entry, the take profit and the stop loss. So you can leave like your laptop, your computer on at home, and while you're taking a walk, you can still receive notification and be able to place a trade while you're working or while you're doing other stuff. So this is really good. You don't really need to stay in front of your computer the entire day. You can continue doing other stuff. Once you receive a notification, you just enter the trade and that's it. Okay, so and the ninth thing I liked about this indicator is that it has got 60-day money back guarantee. This means that in 60 days, if you change your mind, if it does not work for you, you are free to request for a refund. So it's really risky to buy indicators from people because a lot of people like scamming other people, whereby you buy an indicator, then it does not work, then the person refuses to refund you. But when it comes to this indicator, it's being sold on digital. It's a big company, and to guarantee you that if it does not work for you, you can request a refund. So there's nothing to worry here. There's nothing to worry. You won't lose any money. If it doesn't work for you, you are free to request a refund. So if it does not work for you, you are free to request a refund within 60 days. So 60 days is a lot of days. So don't have to worry about anything. So actually, I myself, I did request a refund, I think after 3 days after buying it. So why did I buy this indicator? So I only bought this indicator because I really saw a lot of reviews about it, and people were contacting me to try out to see if it really works out. So I actually bought it and see if it really works before I can tell my email subscribers about it and Telegram members. So I actually bought this indicator and I tried it for more than, I think it was just 24 hours. Yeah, it did perform well. But I'm sure you're asking a question like, why did I refund it? Well, the reason why I refunded it is not because it didn't work for me. It actually worked for me. It's just that, as for me, I don't trade currencies. Okay, I don't trade currencies, and I'm not yet fully back to trading forex. So as for me, what I trade is what called volatility indices. Okay, so it's better to focus on one thing and become a master at it. Okay, and the last reason why you should buy this indicator is support. So I've actually chatted with Karl Dittmann, okay, via email. Usually responds within 24 hours. You can ask anything. If you are stuck, feel free to ask him anything. Anything you'd like to, simply talk to him and it will help you from there. So this is it about today's video. How I wish I did not refund it and make more videos about it so that I can teach other people, but I didn't think about that earlier on. Yeah. So, but these are the reasons why you should consider buying it. Probably this is the last video I've made about this indicator. Yeah, it really works out for those who trade currencies. This is for you. Consider buying it and you won't regret anything at all. Yeah, but if you can't afford these things, I've got some indicators you can download for free on my channel, my Telegram group, and so on. So bye for now. If you learned something from this video, give it a like. If you have questions, feel free to comment. For more videos like this, subscribe.